Okay, so increment, decrement, we had shown exponential also completed. Then operator precedence, we had already. Yeah, so in the case of operator precedence, what you're getting from this term means it will follow the BODMAS process. Got it? In the case of BODMAS, bracket will be first, then multiplication, then plus, like that, whatever it's taking that rule, it will follow the same thing. We are not covering any topic, okay? We are just going through the document because already we had covered yesterday. The same thing is there actually. Something is there, we will cover that. Just wait. So this way, like first this means this bracket, then second bracket, like this type, it will be. What is this one? Let it to be. I will explain somewhat more. And see this type of operator we had seen. I had shown that how to check the type of anything like Boolean number. It was showing yesterday. Correct or not? Any having any doubt in this case? Then something is there. Shift right. Wait 1 second. Where is the example? Very logical operator. Second. Can anyone tell example of logical operator?
And or not.
And or
Or
not, XOR.
Okay, so we had written 1 and 1. What are you thinking? What will be output?
True. True.
It will be true. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
So let's run this file. Where we had written? We written, I think, in console. Yeah, we had written in console. So it's showing 1 because in the case of JavaScript, I think
Oh,
true and
yes, sir.
false
0
is
and 1 is one.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
And
here
0
also.
and 1 is one.
yeah. So let's check 0 and
Sir, where showing?
Sir, 0. Oh, no. So 0.
it will show 0. Yeah, Dharmender, what you telling?
Okay, sir, no problem. My data is over.
Oh
That's
my
why
God,
everything is stopped.
Dharmender, mute. Where is that? Already both guys is sitting in together, and after that you're telling data is over. Okay, so see what this AND operator will do. So be taking 1, okay, and fine, and 1. What will be the output? 1 and 1. Sweta, this is the logical AND operator. Fine, and it means it going to
Or.
multiply. Okay, it going to multiply. Logical, logical, and means it will multiply. multiply. So let's see. So what will happen? 1 into 1. What will the output?
1.
1. Fine. 1 0.
0.
What? 1 and 0. What will be output? 0. Correct. Next, what will be the input? 0. And see why we taking only 1 or 0, because in our programming language, otherwise in your laptop also means a system, it accepting only 2 things, either 1, either 0. That's it. It not accepting any other, but it converting those things. So 0 and 0, what will be output? It will be 0. Fine. Okay. So next, what is pending? Yeah, 0 and 1 equal to what will be output?
0.
0. Okay. So this is the AND operator. Now go to OR operator. How we can represent OR? Any idea? Anyone?
Yes.
You have to means you have to show with the help of OR symbol this type. 2 type.
Yes.
Sweta, this symbol you will get where? In your keyboard. Check. Anyone? Where we will get? Below backspace. Below backspace. Okay. Or otherwise above enter. And you have to press shift and then you will get this one. Got it? So let's see the example over this. 1 OR. And this is known as OR. 1 or 1. OR means it going one or 1. It going to add. So what will be the output?
1.
Beta, it will be 1 or 2. Hello?
Sir.
Sweta, this means addition. Or
Addition.
means addition. So this is logical means a multiplication, that is AND. Okay. And here it going to add. So add means 1 and 1 means 1 or 1. What will be the addition?
2.
Yeah, that's. But always addition will be 0 or 1. Okay. So that's why it will be 1. Now 1 or 0. What will be addition?
1.
Yeah, everybody know.
इसमें डबल इक्वल होता है क्या?
No, that is just
बहुत
for
बड़े हैं और
understanding purpose. 0 and 0, 0 and 1. Sorry. See, this double
One.
equal to just for symbol purpose, not that anything. So 0 and
Okay.
or 1. What will be your output?
1.
Now Sweta becomes silent. She thought something wrong is going on here.
No, sir, I checking the symbol in laptop.
Oh, okay. So 0 or 0. This will be 0. What you getting from this actually? How this become 1 or 0? Means in this case, why this is 1? Yeah.
Your voice is because दोनों 1 है. इसलिए 1 आ
1
गया.
second. My voice is breaking.
1 और no.
No. Sweta. So see, what is the logic behind that? Can anyone explain? You have idea?
I take one example like switchboard.
Okay.
When I press on, it will light go on. When I press on means 1. Means when I will switch on, then it will bulb will be blink. Means 1. When I will put 1, then it will light switch on the light, then it will be a blink light. When I
Then
will
why will
switch off
that's,
the light.
but here it's a telling 2 condition, means 1 or 1. Okay. Okay, let's see. So 1, it means condition is true. Fine. TRUE, true. But when it is 0, it condition is like false. Got it? Condition is false. Who is on unmute? Please go on mute. So this is the condition. After that, when you have to speak, that time you can unmute, and after that you can. Okay. So 1 means true, 0 means false. So what is going on there? It's telling 1 means true. Second is telling true. Means in the first can check here. Wait. Here, what is the first? True. First is true. And what is second? Second is also telling I am also true. So what is the result?
Okay.
Both are
True.
true. So both become true means both become true. Let for right now, just put this thing. Second, what is the first? 1. 1 means true. Okay. And second is telling 0. 0 means false. Correct? So what is the output? Output become
True.
true. One thing become negative. One thing become negative. All thing become negative. If you have water and if you mixed poison, one drop, all become poison. Correct or not? So just think in that situation itself. Okay. If once got mistake, all will become mistake. If one person got unsuccess, if you are working in team, that unsuccess is of complete team, not only one member, because you are in the team. Got it? Here we are working. We all are learning. If one person had issue in the function or any topic, means that become problem for the all member, because we have to spend time 5 minutes more for understanding purpose. So that's not for one person. Think regarding the complete group like that way. So same thing is going on. So one become true, other become false, means one become negative, means all become negative. So all become false. Fine.
Sir,
One sec. Sorry. This
sir,
is
it
the
is a
Yeah,
condition of odd.
yeah. Yeah. Got it. So here we are going to add. So one become true, other become false. Anyway, that will be true. Okay. Then other become false. Go in. Other become true. Then what is the output? Output will be true, because anything become true means all will be true, because the or condition. Or means option. Maybe you will confuse it. Now I giving you simple example. If you going in the any guest house, they asking tea or coffee, what you will choose? Both or one? What you will choose? Anyone? What he asking actually? He asking you whether you want tea or coffee. Any one thing. He not telling that tea and coffee. No. Okay. If suppose that if you going for the dinner, okay, and that time they will tell that rice and means now both option is there. Rice is also, chapati is also, means you can take both. But in this case, there is option. Any one you have to choose either. So that is condition going on like there. So what we had taken here, we taken whether true or whether true. So condition will be true. Whether true or false. So condition will be true. But if false, if true, condition will true. Then last condition. Last condition is false, false or false equal to what? False. Got it? So in the and so whatever we had written true, true means 1. Okay. So who all from non-IT background, please understand this. So true 1. So in the case of this, only one false means 1 0. Remaining all will be true condition. Clear? But now come to the programming side and take one example, then we will get some idea. Just wait. Tell me some examples. No idea.
one
Let
and
let x equal to 5. Fine. Let y equal to 7. Fine. And what we can do? Any idea? Tell me example. I forgot this.
तब तो फिर इसमें तो if else लगाना पड़ेगा तब प्रिंट होगा ना.
No, we got it. I showing you one example.
1 लेना पड़ेगा तो हो सकता है.
So let's see the condition. X greater than y Where is and? And first I going with the and operator. Okay, take care. And operator. X greater than y and x. This become true.
ये भी चलेगा.
This become false. But if condition is required, then only we can get. Yeah.
इसमें भी आ जाएगा.
Okay. But you will not get the output. That is the thing.
Yeah, I will get.
Yeah, this will also give. Let's see.
Yeah, it will come.
False. Yeah.
Because X false and
What example?
true. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Ah, it's correct. False.
Condition is correct. Condition is it's not the issue. Condition is correct. Okay, that will also fine. Let it to be. So see what we had taken. Be verifying this condition. Okay, x greater than 5 and y less than 5. So what we are checking? We are checking and operator. Fine. So let's compare and verify what it is. 0 and 1 case. Okay. So what is written? This output, whether true or false. True means what we will take? True means 1. Who not having idea, please keep this thing in mind. False means 0. Understand this careful because this is the most important thing actually. Maybe it's very easy. I will not tell that's very tough. It's very easy, but you have to just keep in mind how that it's working. That is the thing. Okay, so what we're doing here, we are verifying x greater than y. What is this? Whether true or false? X greater than y. Please speak fast. We already covered a lot, too much time.
False.
So false. Fine. So let's write here itself. So first condition is false. What about second condition? And
True.
x less than y. This is true. Okay. So true. What is the output? Output is
False.
false. Because one thing become negative, it will be all become negative. Okay. Now go to another condition. Make the condition true. How we will? Means this also I want true and this also I want true. So output become true. Make this condition here.
X less than y.
X less than y and here x less than y. Fine. Let's comment this line. Save. Be getting true. Now learn from here. What happening? X less than y. This condition is true or false? This condition is true.
Okay.
So that's why
Yes.
while debugging process, once this condition, one condition will be true, it will go and check the next condition. Okay, it will check the next condition. Why? What is the reason and why it not stopped here itself? Why it start checking this condition? Reason is that one condition become true. I writing here. Just keep in mind, one condition become true. Okay, and here is that and true. Suppose that one condition become true. Maybe the chance whether this may be 0 or 1. Got it? Because if the second condition will be 0, what will be the output? If that second condition is 0, the output becomes 0. But if the suppose second condition, see, I not going to put the first condition. Remove this. If a second condition becomes 0, output becomes 0. But if second condition become 1, what will be the output?
1.
It will be 1. Got this point? So that's why when you debugging, it will check the first condition. Fine. After that, it will go and check the second condition. What is the second condition? Because the result will be decided over the second condition. Okay, so up to this, next move to next one. So here this become true, so it going and it checking for the other one. Let's say make the condition. Wait, let me comment. You can't get, I know that. Just wait. Give me 1 minute. So now make the second condition false. How to make? Make second condition false. What we will write?
Then y.
We can
Simply
pass
change.
x greater than y. Now the second condition is false or not? Sweta, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Second condition become false. Now tell me, when you start debugging, what compiler will search? Compiler, what is the first output?
First or true. True, sir.
First is true. First is true. So it will check for the second because first become true. So this become 1. Then second may be 0 or 1. If second is 0, then it result become the false. Correct. If second become 1, result become true. So that's why it will move the next also. So next is x greater than y. This condition become false. So result is false. Clear? Make the third condition. What is the pending condition? False. Yeah, wait. Third condition, cut this one and pass here. So let's see this one. What is the condition? X greater than y. Is correct or not?
False,
X
sir.
greater than,
False,
this is
sir.
false. Fine. This become false. So suppose that first condition become false. Now check to, oh my god. Okay, let add here. So first condition become false. Means this first one become 0. Maybe second will be 1 or 1 second. Okay, right here. So first condition, suppose that first condition become 0 and be going with and operator. Okay, what is the output now? Any idea?
0.
Now tell me, in the bottom one, I was telling you first condition become true. Now it is compulsory to check the second condition because first condition become 1, second condition may be 0 or maybe 1. So condition become means result become something. But now tell me, if first condition become 0 means false, what is the output in this case? If this second will be 1, what is the output? Output will be false. Means output will be 0. What will be the output in the second condition? Output will be second condition 0 because first condition is 0. First condition, this is common. Okay, I not taking in the both. This is 0. So now tell me, once the first condition is 0, is it necessary to check the second condition? What are you thinking? Is it necessary to check the second condition? So second condition is not. What are you telling, Sweta?
If first condition is 0, second condition is necessary for checking.
No. In multiplication case, it's not necessary because multiplied by 0 anything, what will be the output?
0.
0. So that is the main thing I want to show. Once you have first condition become 0, no need to second condition check that. Okay, means compiler will not check this second condition. Got my point? It will not reach there. It will not check because he know that this becomes 0. Okay, this becomes 0 and this is the AND operator. So it will not go and check this line. Got the point? In interview, they are asking like this. Why it will not check? Because multiplication by 0 to anything, it becomes 0. That's why it will not check the second condition. Clear or not? That's why I was checking in all condition. Why? Because first condition was true. See this. First was 1. Correct or not? First was 1. So if first is 1, see this. First is 1. So suppose that is 1. Maybe second condition will be 0 or 1. If that is 0, output becomes 0. But if that is 1, output become 1. That why I was checking that all condition, because due to that 1. Got it? But once you got this 0 in the first condition itself, we know that always it will be 0. That's why we not going to check the second condition. Clear or not? Why we were checking this thing? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Now, which condition is pending? True, true, yeah, false. Wait. What are you thinking? Or first condition will be false. Second condition will be false. Output will be false. Correct? Make this false. Is this correct? X greater than 7. Yeah, correct. So what are you thinking? It will check the second condition or not? First condition is false. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So first condition is false. Clear? Is it will go to check second condition?
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
because first condition becomes 0.
So,
Now this is AND operator, so it's no need to check the second condition. It will not check. Got it? Is this clear or not? Anyone having any issue in this case? Tell me. Okay. Move to next operator. That is OR operator. Now you have to explain what will happen inside. See, this all things is going inside the picture. Okay. In the debugger mode, when we will check, this thing is going there. So first condition, make true. How to make true? But this is not AND operator. This is OR operator. Make true. First condition. First. Don't spend time on this one. Tomorrow I have exam. Make this condition true. First. What is the mistake? Is this correct? Okay. X less than Y. X less than 5. Y
Sir,
less than
correct.
7.
yeah, sir.
Correct.
It is
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This condition also correct. Okay. So what you
Yes, sir.
thinking? Now. Yeah. So where is that? Okay. So now make that first condition become true, or let it to be. So first condition become true. Fine. It become, that also become true. What will be the output? Now see, first condition become true. True in the sense 1. Correct? Now tell me, is it compulsory to check the second condition or not here? Because if you will do OR condition, if you're doing OR, maybe this one will be 0 or this will be 1. What will be the output in both cases?
It will be true, sir.
True, sir.
If this will be 1 and be adding 0, it will be 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1. Correct?
Yes,
Or
sir.
1 plus 1, it will be
1.
1 or 2.
Once.
Sir, 1, sir.
It will be 1. Means in both condition it giving true. Correct or not? Whether 0, whether 1. So what you thinking? Is it necessary to check the second condition in this place?
No.
It's not necessary, because anyway, whatever value it will be always 1, because the first condition become 1. Got it? So in the OR operator, the compiler will not check the second condition, because anyway he know that this whether 0 or 1, it's not the problem, because first condition become the 1. But suppose this is 0, what you thinking in the AND operator? What it will do? It will check or not? In the case of AND,
No, sir. It's not.
no, because anyway the output will be 0.
0.
Correct?
Yes.
That's why. This means when you will do debugging time, you can check that is the same thing is going on there. Okay. So second, What is the second condition? Second is uncomment this line. Uncomment, yeah. So x less than, this is correct, and operator, fine. So now tell me second condition. First condition become true, true in the sense 1. Next become, is it
0.
necessary? Now is it necessary to check second or not?
No, sir. It is.
Next maybe 0. So
Yes.
if you 1 and 0, it will be output will be 1, fine. And 1 or 1, output will be 1.
1.
So again, no need to check. Got it? Now, next move. 1 second. Oh, this I had written and here. Pass or. What will be output there? This side, it will be true or false? Yeah, true. What will be here? Here it will be true.
True.
Please check. I had copy pasted from above. Please verify. What about this one? This will be also true. This will be
False.
false. Correct or not? Let's check.
Yes, sir. It's still false.
Correct. Okay.
0 plus 0.
Okay. So in this condition, it becomes 0. Correct. So it becomes 0. Is it necessary to check the second condition? No need, because anyway 0. Yeah, here you have to check the condition.
Yes,
Now
sir. In
see.
second condition we check. 24.
Yeah. 1 second. Then why we had not check here? Here also, yeah, I think you had done the mistake then. Because here you will check the condition 0. Then if 0 is there, output will be 0. Correct. We had done mistake here. We had not checked that condition there then. So this way actually let it to be. I think now you got the clear concept or not? That first become valid, then second will move or not. In the case that type it working. In that means when you will run the debugger mode, you can check that all the condition. So let's verify the output. Let's see whether we getting the same output or not. So true, 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 false. True, 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 false. Clear? Now check this condition. What are you thinking? We will get error. Any idea? We will get error or not? Nobody has spoken. Let variable, same variable we had declared. Now see the output. True, remaining all become false. What we had done? We had verified, means we had understand whether if first condition become true, then second will be check or not check. Why not check? If this will be suppose 0, then no need to check the second condition, this one. Okay, means in the MCQ many time you will write the exam, then you will get that this type of question, small, that if the first condition becomes 0, no need to check the second one, directly put that condition will be false. Clear? So this is your logical operator, logical and logical nor and logical not operator. Logical not in the sense we had already checked that one. So just do one thing here itself, like write console.log and x not y. What is it will give? It will not work like this. Not equal to we have to pass. Then what it will check? It will check x not equal to y. What will be the output?
True.
X not equal to 5. The output will be true.
Yes.
So let's see this last line. That is true. Fine. Line number 13. Line number 13. Because both not. So see this thing mostly we are doing. Suppose that you have to check whether your user ID, email ID and password is valid or not. So you had entered something. Okay. And you are comparing with the database. What you will compare? Your email ID is not equal to email ID in the database, like that type. Then you will compare. We will learn this thing slowly. But mostly this logical operator in everywhere, it's looking easy. It's easy, but it's useful too much. Okay, now type of, we had seen that if you have to check the type of, you can get the type of the variable. Clear? Now instance means it will give you the object type. Object type in the sense like a parent and child relation. It will tell you whose parent is this one. So let's do one thing. In the upcoming, we will learn that type operator, that instance operator. But for right now, what we had learned, we learned number. Correct? We know that. Means what is number? Number means we had written 1, 2, 3, 4 something, then it become number. Let's check which instance this one. Instance in the change means in instance in the sense child. You can tell. So let's check which instance of number. I think of means 1 second. Which type we have to pass? Any idea, anyone, how to pass this one? To me. Anyone, any idea? Samir, Dharmender? 1 second. Let me open the tutorial. Where is the data type function segment operator? See, this is very easy topic, but it's very useful, that I can tell you. That is operator operand, subtracting, multiplication, increment, exponential, precedence order. Nowhere that is available. Okay, let's see. Shivani, you have idea how to check instance of? Let's open this. Instance of car. Instance. Okay, it will give true, false. Instance of car. Got it. It's right here. Number. Answer of instance object. See, it will give true, I think. It give an error. But reference error, number is not defined. Okay, something we have to define. So go with window. And then also not. Let it to be. This itself.
सर ये
Here.
ऑब्जेक्ट को डिफाइन करने के इसके बाद में होगा?
No, this will check. Yeah, means object first we have to define. That is the thing.
Yes.
That's why I copied this one. Otherwise, actually, everything is object of a object. Means object is the parent. After that, a string, alert, number, these all are the instance of that. So that's okay. But means in the case of that, I think. But if you had created any object, means if you have to check that this is the instance of that or not, means this is the child of that or not. So you can verify like this. So see, something we had defined here, car. What is car? Let it to be, no issue. But see here, we had created a new. What is new? We will learn that. Right now, just think with the help of new keyword, we can create object. Okay. So here we are checking object means auto. Auto is instance of car. Okay. So it will check whether it will true or not. It will give you. So we got here true. Next, auto instance of object. This also giving true. Line number 41. Actually, everything is object of, means instance of object. That is the thing. If you will write a string, I think that will also give. I think maybe error or what. Line number 41. Yeah, that is given. You remove, then also you will get. In interview, they are asking this question. So everything is the made, means as like we can tell, everything is the part of. Suppose if you have to tell paneer is there, then cheese is there, then butter is there. By whom these all? The product of which thing?
Object.
Object. Paneer, butter, these all things made up of what? Milk. Correct?
Yes. So object is like just like a car. Means car part is just
No,
object.
left that. Just imagine parent and child. That's it. Got that?
Yeah.
Milk is the parent, all become child. Cheese, butter, paneer, this, that, whatever is there, milk item, all become like object. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
What about others? Had you got idea? So one thing will be in the parent, after that all become child. Like that, consider. So with the help of instance of operator, we can verify whether that is the parent or child relation, means that is instance of or not. So what is instance? For right now, just think parent child, later we will learn. Topic will be there. Okay, so everything is the instance of object, like number, that string, boolean, everything. So if you will pass a number, you will get that. You will get a true. Okay, so I think how we can check not this way? No, instance of. Fine. Let's do one thing. Check alert. We know that alert is there. Let's see. Alert is also. See this. Line number 32 means who is the parent of all the things?
He always giving answer true, true, true.
Yeah.
Which case you have to put false.
Means if you will go with another case here, like number, string, like that, then you will get the error. Because this object, wait, I writing that, write alert. Fine. Now it will check alert and here pass object. What you checking? Object is instance of alert. I think false. It given error itself. Function has non-object, prototype, undefined, instance, check.
Alert you can't say it's object.
Yeah, because the object means the complete. In interview they are asking who is the instance of a string, who is the instance of number, like this. So hierarchy you can tell. Go in the paint, just wait. As like in the case of Angular, what we had learned, who is the main? Who was the main in Angular case? Module or component?
Module.
Module.
Module was main. So same type. Just learn here in the JavaScript, everything is the global, means everything is the object. As like we are telling who is the main in our real life, God is the on the top, then we are telling everything coming down. Correct or not? Everybody putting the God on the top level first. After that, we are telling that we are in the down hierarchy. Same type you can tell who is on the top in the case of JavaScript. So object. After this, whatever you are learning, we know a string. Okay, a string is in the bottom, means hierarchy. You can tell instance of object. Instance in the sense child. Then number. Fine. Then alert means whatever you are writing, console. Got it? Getting or not? So these all
Yes,
things
yes.
are the instance of object. So who is the main? So main is the object.
Yeah, you can
Clear?
say instance of sub instance.
Yeah. So these all are
Sub-instance.
sub instance of object.
Yeah.
So who is on the main? Main is the object. In interview, they are asking. And how to check that whether instance of or not? How to check that? With the help of instance of keyword. Got it? Here we can pass. Check the console bit. Check that. CON console. I think maybe it will give error. No, it given. Okay. I was thinking that console.log, but it's work. Okay, so it given console. It's a object because then only it's showing the true. Got it? So in all condition, object is the main top. Check the function. What about the function? Let's see. It given error. Instance of unexpected token. No, I don't know which type we can check this one. Check A. Anything is there, it will give error because A is not the variable. If you will create any variable, you will get. Okay, so this way we can check that whether instance of or not. Why I remove that code? ALERT alert. So this way we can check instance. Maybe you know you getting confused. What is this one? But just keep in mind that if you have to check instance, you can go for that one. For checking instance. Okay. Now come to the next. Whatever we had done just now, like and operator or operator, that was actually logical operator and it working on the logical case. But now something is bitwise operator. Bitwise means it will work on single bit. Okay. Now the condition came. What is bit? Which will be who having idea writing that? What was that? Octal, hexadecimal, those value. How we can write 1 in the form of octal? Who will write? OCTAL. Tell. Who will write? What is the value of 1? Nobody.
1.
1. This
0,
one.
1. Yes.
No. Where is computer science?
Here
Vani.
the same mistake.
Yes, sir.
What? Yeah, tell how to write octal. What all the values are there? Octal. After that, decimal also
Sir,
there. Na?
hexadecimal and binary octal.
Yeah. So just tell only 2 value. Let it to be hexadecimal. Tell octal. How to write?
Up to 7, 0 to 7.
How to write that octal?
Sir, 1 we
So
have
0,
cut.
1, 2. So in
0 to
binary.
Yeah, binary.
like
So 1, 0, 0, 0.
Or 1, 1, 0, 0.
0,
This one.
0. Another one
This,
more.
this one.
Sir, it's a 1 octal. Huh?
Sir,
Is
3,
this
0
correct?
only. Sir,
sir, it
3,
is a
0
binary
only.
vector.
Yeah,
Is this correct?
3, 0, sir.
Okay,
Octal
3,
means
0.
7
Sir,
digit.
Yeah.
for 0 0 2 4 8 बराबर है सर.
बराबर है.
2
मुझे
4
नहीं
2
लग रहा
4
है बराबर.
Yeah, sir.
0
It's
1,
8,
2,
4,
4. No,
2,
1, 2,
1.
4.
2, 4, 8,
Only 3
Right.
16.
digit.
2 4 8 6 like sir.
2, 4, 8, 16.
2 4 8 6. 2 4 8.
2 का power 0, 2 का power 1, 2 का power 2, 2 का power 3.
माफ कर दो भाई, माफ कर दो.
8,
गलत
4,
कर दिया.
2, 1,
पूछ
sir.
कर.
Sir,
पूछ
only
कर
3
गलत कर
digit
दिया.
सर हम
12
गलत बताए हैं.
8, 4, 2, 1.
1.
हाँ वही.
तो हम गलत
0,
बताए
0.
सर 4 ऑक्टल.
आपका गलत है, ये 1 बताया हुआ. मैं अभी
सर मैं
दिखाता हूँ.
ऑक्टल के लिए बताई हूँ सर, मैं ऑक्टल के लिए
सर
बताई
मैं
हूँ.
बता रहा हूँ 1 के लिए होगा 1 0 0 बस.
यूज भी सर.
Yes.
सर मैं ऑक्टल के लिए बताई हूँ 1000.
हाँ, मैं भी उसी के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ।
तो आप ये 1 क्या?
इसको लिखते कैसे हैं?
हाँ, ऐसे ही लिखते हैं.
हाँ, इसको अब मैं
पावर
इसको यहाँ
पावर
सर 0 1 2 4 8 लाइक दिस चल रहा है सर, और उसका वैल्यू
ऐसा
पहले
लिखिए।
लेते हैं।
ये करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ.
यस सर 3 नहीं आएगा
श्वेत,
सर, 3
वन
नहीं
से
आएगा
ओके
सर,
3
4 है वहाँ पे।
सर
ओके, आई
जीरो से
थिंक
स्टार्ट नहीं होता है, 1 से स्टार्ट होता है ना।
नहीं, 0 से होगा। 2
हाँ,
पावर 0
1
इक्वल
से
टू 1।
स्टार्ट होता है. 2 का पावर
नहीं,
0
नहीं।
1 हुआ.
2
1
पावर
से
0
नहीं
1 होता है ना? 2 पावर 0 1 होता है ना?
यस सर.
तो
हाँ,
इसीलिए तो ये आएगा 1। I am
यस
everything.
करेक्ट।
Shivani,
Yes.
see, I
हाँ
don't know
सर.
much about these things, but I know whatever I know.
आप
Okay.
भी तो सीएससी से है ना?
I am from EC background, not CS.
अच्छा है।
In EC also same is there, no sir. After binary, this one.
Where?
श्वेता क्या कर
Sir,
रही
I
है?
studied in second sem, sir, electronic subject, but I
Oh, got it.
Yes.
में ना सर, सही है।
We got it.
Sweta, that is the thing. Okay.
yes, but I not remember that thing.
Yeah. Don't remember because you not remember your subject also. You not remembering other subject also. What is difference? No difference. Whether your subject or other subject.
Like
Why?
this way, so then it's 1 1 1.
या सर मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा था ना 100, यही तो करेक्ट है।
Yes,
यही है ना
0
correct?
1 0.
यस
0
यहाँ 1 हुआ इसका
This will be 2
0 1 0.
हाँ
and this will be 0 and now it will be 1. Correct?
ये हाँ 0 1
हाँ. पता है.
Now come क्या बोल रही है शिवानी? पता है?
हमको नहीं पता था आप ये पूछ रहे हैं.
रहने दीजिए, इंटरव्यूअर को
1
बोलिएगा।
1.
अच्छा है।
1 1. पता है
Next
ना.
और
1 2
1 0 0
1
0
0
0.
0. Next 5. Sweta, you know how
1
it
0 1.
working? How we are writing this one?
1 0 1.
Sir, I just
2 power 2.
in the
गेस कर रही है।
no sir, when putting the actal, just give number and that actal is symbol
See.
is
Okay, let it to be remaining. What we are doing here, we are writing in the octal form. Okay. Octal means 2 power means total value should be 8. So calculate this one. Is this equal to 8 or not? Check. 2 power 0.
Is equals to 7.
2 power 2, that become 4. 2 power 1, that become 2. And 2 power 0, it become 1. So 4 to 6, 1 7. In octal, it's taking 7 value only. Or last also.
सर 0 to
0
7
to 7. Yes, sir. It takes 0 to
0
7.
to
Okay,
7
okay.
sir, exam decimal in ABCD in from in 10.
0 to 7. It will take 8 numbers. No,
This
sir.
type.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Then first we have to
So
take 0. Then 1 2 3.
0 we have to take.
No, sir. Above 1.
Means this much only, correct? Means this is correct or not? What we had written.
No, sir. First we have to take 1, then 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Got it. Means here you're telling 0.
Yeah, sir.
यस सर।
Okay.
तो सुनते ही
Fine.
नहीं है बेटा.
बस शिवानी को तो मौका मिलना चाहिए भाई,
लूट ले।
उसके बाद तो फिर
तब तो आज्ञाकारी बच्चा बनने दीजिए.
Okay, so what we have written here 0. So in the case of 0, what will be value here? 0 0 0. This all three will be 0. Okay, after that 1 2 3 4. Why we writing? Actually we will do bitwise operation over this one. How that bitwise operation is working? Now see, In the case of logical operator, combinedly it was working. It was not looking over this thing. Okay. But when you moved in the bitwise operator, bitwise means this one, only one single. See, Sweta, why asking you? Because you are from the other background. That's why. See, when we writing this one, this become your logical operator. Fine. This become logical. But when you writing single, this become bitwise. Got it? Means in this condition, what we will do? We will work on single bit. Where is the single bit? Anyone?
Yes.
Where is the single bit?
Single mean like one
Single
bit.
bit means one bit. Means
Single digit.
this only one, not
Yes.
single digit. This one. Okay. Then this one. This is your single bit. On this part, we have to work. Got it? That is the thing. So let's see. Clear. We will get more clear on our example side. So see here. So
Sir,
what it
single bit,
doing? Yeah.
single bit, you can say single digit.
No. Digit will be means a different thing. Bit will be different because we had converted that in some form. Correct or not?
Digit is also taking single number, no?
See, that's fine. We can tell, but here we are we had expanded this value in some form. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Combination of these all octal become this binary. Whatever you telling binary or decimal means a combination of that value become this one. Got it? Then if we telling digit, then it will be not means we can tell, but it will not suitable because this combination of this one becomes.
Not suitable.
Yeah, that you can. So see, in this thing we can write that 32-bit, 48-bit like that it moving. So we are telling bit. So next see 5 and 1. What it will do? It will check operation here. So 5, it had written 5 like, oh, it will write in 4 value. See that value. One value we have to add here. That is the wrong actually. Here we have to write 0. So when this will be 0?
Sir, wrong is right, sir.
Okay, this is I think 32-bit. Yeah, 32 there.
No, yes,
Yeah,
it take one more 2 to the power 3.
yeah. This become 32. That's why it will increase. Fine. So it will work over that much value. After that, it showing the result. What will be the result? Okay, whether true or false. So check this left shift, right shift. What it will do? So check this question. This one 5 and 1. What are you getting from this one?
Left shift
So see.
1.
Okay, 1 second. Let me take that. Where is the number alphabet? Yeah. So it taken 5. It telling that shift left shift 1. How you think that left shift? Because of that direction. Okay, less than going that side. So it telling 5 left shift 1. How you will take? Split this value 5. How much? How in 32-bit? How we can go octal this that we can do. That's not the issue. So how we can do? So 0 1 0 1 value is already written there. Okay, value is written. Now shift this 1 bit. How we will shift? Any idea?
Sir, with the help of shift operator.
Yes,
Shift that. Shift that.
1 fifth, and in place of 1 you have to put 0.
Just 1 second. Yeah, what you telling? In place of
1.
so see, I going to write. I don't know whether correct or not. You have to make me if I am wrong. I have not idea. So this one, okay, I will not write anything here. Go back here, write 1. Which one? First one shifted one step. Got it? Then second will be 0. Do one thing. Wait. What is the value? 1, 0, 0. Oh, sorry. 1, 0. Is this correct? No. 1 second. 1.
0, 1.
Yeah.
0, 1.
This one. Shift one step means shift like this way. My God. How it is my laptop is not working proper.
Where we use this concept, sir?
Don't worry. We will not use this thing that much, but just we are learning how this is working. Okay. This a bit, you will not get anything like this. Okay. So what happened? This one got shifted where? In the place of 0. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this one will be in front of that 0. Fine. So in the front of 1, what will be? 1. Then in front of this one, this will be 1. Oh, sorry. What I had written? 1 become there, correct. This will be 0. Then this will be 1. Fine. And the last will be 0. Is this correct? Yeah, that is correct. No, 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 no.
No, sir. It's shifted like a 0 place of 1, and it's moved on. Right.
What happened? This again become the same. Remove this.
And shift
Somewhere
of
that become.
yeah.
Yeah,
First
correct.
0.
Here we have to pass 0. That's it.
Yes.
Remaining all become fine. See this output here. 1 0 1 0. And now see, maybe you get confused. Wait, I will do. It's very simple. But if you got one time idea, no, it will be very simple. Because in an interview, they are asking these things. If you done bit by operator, then sure you will, I mean, they will ask. So what is the value? Wait. So where is the value? Take this one. 0 1 0. Whose side unmuted? I think Sweta side.
No, sir. I muted.
Oh,
Samir, sir.
Samir. Oh, because that South language was coming. Okay, so this one. Now I going to make shift of that left shift. So what we will do? We will shift left side. So shift this and make right here. Got it? Means now this one time it will shift. Wait, I will make diagram. This will shift one step here. Fine. Then this will shift one step this side. Then this will shift one step here. Then this position become empty because nobody had shifted. So here we will pass a 0. Got it? Somewhat or not. Now see, do the same thing. What we had done. 1 shifted where? Nearby 0. Fine. So right here. 1. Clear? Sweta, had you got some idea? 1 shifted, 1 step back. So one that become 0. Sorry, that become 1. This 0 shifted 1 step. It becomes 0. Last, who is on the last? Last is 1. So what about the first? First no value. Means in the first we will pass a 0. Now tell me, what is the value of this one? In the binary or decimal, whatever be telling. Which value is this one? Like previously,
9.
we had read. Yeah, which value?
9.
9. How? See,
10,
this is
10, 10, 10, 10.
10. Already this is written here 10.
No, sir. I calculate now.
Okay, so this become your 10. How this become 10?
Equally.
So this is your 2 power 0. Correct. Where is the power value? Yeah. 2 power 0. Then wait. This become your 2 power 0. This become your 2 power 1. 8421. Yeah, that itself, I think. This become your 2 power 2. Then this become your 2 power 3.
Sir,
Yeah. Is this
second
wrong?
one is 2 ka power 1. Yeah, 2 ka power
0,
0,
1,
then 2 power 1.
3, 2, 1.
2, then 3.
Yeah.
Nobody
Then
just
take 2 ka
no,
power 2.
no.
Then 3. Yeah, right.
See, nobody is speaking. That's why I writing wrong. Because everybody is sleeping, then why I will write only.
No, sir, it's our fault, sir. Sorry, sir.
So this is the value. So what it will be? 2 power 0. 2 power 0 become 1. Don't tell 0. This is not multiplication. This is power. So 2 power 1 become 2. Fine. 2 power 2 become 4.
4,
And 2 power 3 become
8.
okay. Now add this all. Add or multiply. Oh, sorry, not add. Now calculate this one. What is the value? Then you will get this one 2 and last is the 1. So it become 10. Sweta, had you got any idea? And others, had you got something? How this is working? Because see, it's very simple, but it means in the exam time, otherwise in mock interview, in interview, they are asking this thing. Okay, that's why you have to be in mind somewhat that how this is working. But in case of logical operator, it will be a straightforward. Nothing you have to change. So it's clear, I think. Okay, so arithmetic operator, fine operator. This all completed actually. Multiplying, division, remainder. This was pending. Remaining all things covered. This precedence order not required, but already we covered these things. This will be covered in the case of ternary operator. That will be fine, not here. Then anything. House function. Anybody knows what is generator? Anybody? We had learned function. There is one function that whose name is generator function. Anybody know? Anybody having idea what is generator function?
Yes, sir, you have idea.
I have not idea. That's why I asking. Anyone who having idea what is generator function? Dharmender, Samir. Don't tell this is night, so generator is there. So we covered all the revision of the arithmetic operator. Fine. No one having idea generator function. Lalan, you have idea generator function? Now see, we are writing the function. Function it not means stopping. It continuously going on. Once execution will complete, then only it will stop. Correct or not? In now, whatever we had learned in the function case, it was stopping only when we are stopping. But in the case of generator function, we can stop and we can start as like a generator. Okay, that is the thing. So see, in this, we had not covered any new topic. Whatever previously means yesterday we had discussed, those was as a revision purpose. So we had covered those things. In this, no any new topic. Okay. So maybe you had who had get confused regarding that logical operator and bitwise operator? Anyone? Who is lucky guy? That become that today. Who is that? No one. Samir, are you sleeping? After dinner, everybody is sleeping, I think.
Sir, I am not sleeping.
No, no, sir,
Girls,
no sleeping.
girls department is in powerful. They are full energetic.
सर कपड़ा धो रहे हैं सर सो नहीं
सही
रहे
कर रहे हो.
नहीं
मतलब जावास्क्रिप्ट के साथ तुम कपड़ा धो रहे हो. ये
नहीं
कौन
सर
सा तरीका है भाई?
घर निकलना है ना तो कल टाइम नहीं है सर.
ओहो बेचारे.
Okay, so do one thing. This is night 10:30. I will not start a data type. Okay, tomorrow we will start that. Otherwise, you will again get confusion in the object, because now this will start object. Who know this object? What is object? Anybody having idea?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Object
is
is like just just car. Car is one
car?
object.
Don't tell that. Tell in language in which everybody will got understand. No need to buy the car. You telling
Yeah,
is
it's
car. Everybody have to purchase car. For that everybody have to spend money.
no, just like one object means school data. Just like taking school
Yeah.
data. School data means school data is my object. School data just whatever I'm putting student name, roll number,
So do
employee.
one
Name
thing.
value pair. In name value pair, we have to put in object inside.
Object means everything in the world that is object. Okay. Means, but in JavaScript or Java or Python, any language, I don't know regarding Java side, means a Python side, but mostly in Java, .NET, Python, except Python, I have not idea what is object there, but remaining all object means like this type you have to explain. Curly braces should be fine, and you have to pass here colon value. Got it?
Display not showing.
That is the thing. Now you had passed key and value. Okay, object name should be required. Then only you can identify that this is a student object, this is car object, this is some object, like that. So you have to pass the object name. So how you will pass object name? Pass equal to and give here name. Suppose that you going to write a student. So a student data. So this become a student object, a student data. So how you will get this value? Now suppose that you have to make one variable. Is this correct or not? Not this one. Yeah, this one itself. See, here we had written x equal to. I started this curly braces, and inside we had written something. This become your key. This become your value. So with the help of key, you can get the value. Got it? Do one thing. Copy this line. Data समाप्त हो गया. कौन है ये? ललन. सब TCS वाले के पास यही हाल है. देश का रक्षा TCS.
क्लास चलेगा सर?
सर कैप्जेमिनी वाले लोग का क्या हाल है सर?
ऑफर ही
उन
लेटर
लोग का
नहीं
भी
दिया.
यही
ऑफर लेटर ही
देगा.
नहीं दिया. क्या बताएं
अरे
फिर आपको अपना दुख?
रास्ते में है ऑफर लेटर, ट्रैक करो उसको.
वही हो रहा है ट्राई.
अरे हो गया, टेंशन मत लो, थोड़ा सा देर लगेगा आने में और क्या.
देखिए
तो टेंशन नहीं. सर कब तक चलेगा क्लास? टाइम बता दीजिए ना प्लीज.
क्लास नहीं चलेगा, बस 5 मिनट. देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट का मैं थोड़ा सा समरी दे रहा हूँ, अगले दिन ऑब्जेक्ट चलेगा. हो गया है. तो सी हाउ वी विल क्रिएट द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो फॉर क्रिएटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू राइट दिस कर्ली ब्रेसेस. ओके, स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग. In the middle you can remove this bit. I will pass only one data. This is only one data. Fine. Next, you had written x equal to this curly braces. So this curly braces starting and ending, this become your object notation. You can tell that with the help of this curly braces we can find out the data. Means sorry, we can show the symbol. You can tell that symbol like a string. How you are representing a string? With the help of double quote, single quote,
double quote and
quadratic
single
symbol.
quote. Yes.
Correct. So with the help of that, we can easily tell that this is a string. If you have number, you will simply pass that 20, 30. You will simply tell that become number. But if you passing double quote 20, then it become what? If be writing 20, it become number. If be writing single quote 20, what is this one? What is this one? This become a string. This become a string. See, we can check with the help of type of operator. And now what we had done. So next we will learn object. So what is object and how we will identify? So object we can identify with the help of this curly braces.
Curly
Okay.
braces.
So wherever you will write this curly braces, you will means understand that this become object. So inside object, what we will pass? We will pass one key
And one
and a
value.
colon and then value. Okay. And this complete become one object. So how you will tell to anyone that this is object? So with the help of this object name, and this is nothing, this is like just variable, as like we are representing let y equal to 20. Suppose be writing like this, remove this 20, and here in the above case that is passed the complete data, and that is object. Okay. So suppose if you writing let y equal to 20, how you accessing this one? If you have to write 20 means if you have to get the data y value, then how you will get y value? You will write in the console.log y. Is this correct or not?
Yes.
So we will get that. So write that console dot, why it not come? Console.log, and we will write here y. What will be the output? Output will be the value, that is 20. Correct? We got the 20.
Yes.
Same type we had written here x. Okay. And let's see if we will write x, whether we will get the value or not. So console.log, remove this y, pass here x. Let's see.
And John.
We getting the value. So we got the value. Means what value we got? We got the complete object, not one value, because value is John only. Correct, because first name is John. So how we will get this value? So there is another way for getting that. Console.log, you will pass here the object name. What is the object name? Object name is x. Okay. And what is the value? So we will not take value, we will take the key. So what is key? Sweta, what is key for this section? What is key for this one? Shivani?
First name.
First name, sir.
First name is the key. So what we will write? We will write like x dot first name. So we had written here x dot and control space, you will get suggestion first name. So we will write this way and output will be John. See, got it? So this way we have to get that, means we will get the value. If we have multiple data, then also we will get the value. Got it? So this is the object. So we learn one thing, that how to define object and how to get the value of the object. Okay. If you have one more value here, suppose that, just consider one value, just 1 minute. Now don't take the same first name, remove this, take last. Class wise time pass actually, that was just arithmetic operator. John, and pass here Kumar, Kumar something. So how you can, Shivani, tell me how we can get the last name? Shivani, Sweta, Samsad.
Yes, sir.
Tell me if
Console.
The
okay,
console.log x dot last name.
console
Dot
dot
log
Log
x.
x dot
name.
I want Kumar. I want Kumar.
Dot last name.
Last name. Fine. So write last name. So see what we had written. We had written x. X means the complete object. And with the help of this complete object, we reached into this section. Correct or not? And after this, which one you want? You want this one. So we written x dot last name. Press this. We got Kumar. Now I want the first name and last name same time. How I can get? Tell me fast. Console.log.
First name and last name.
How I will get that?
Last name, comma, first name.
1 second. Last name, comma, first name. This way. Correct. Is this correct? Oh, where it gone? Okay. Sweta, is this correct?
Maybe first name, comma, last name.
No.
What
So
is this
how
one?
Bibaj?
I'm not understanding.
What? What happened, Shivani?
शिवानी को
नहीं
बाउंस कर
समझ-
गया.
हाँ सर
Shivani, what happened?
सर
It
अच्छे
bounce
से
कर
क्लियर नहीं हो रहा कॉन्सेप्ट.
क्या नहीं कॉन्सेप्ट हो रहा है?
सर मतलब
Clear?
आप यस सर.
आपको नींद आ रहा है इसीलिए. ठीक है, कोई
सर
दिक्कत नहीं.
रहने दीजिए सर, कल
क्या
ही
हुआ
बता
सर?
दीजिए.
आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रहा? बोल तो रहे हैं.
आवाज नहीं जा रहा है.
आप भी
आ
तो
रहा
बोले
है
आपने.
शिवानी, आवाज आ रहा है.
हाँ आ रहा है सर का आवाज आ रहा है.
नहीं, तुम्हारा भी आवाज आ रहा है.
Okay, don't worry.
But okay,
Whatever we
sir.
had explained, whatever we had discussed regarding object, we will cover this again. Means next class. Okay, we will spend more time over this. Okay,
ओके
so
सर.
we have to
Good
cover
night.
that string, number, and object. We will cover tomorrow this thing. Okay, so what time class tomorrow? Morning, evening,
इवनिंग 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
नो सर मॉर्निंग में भी ले सकते हैं. इवनिंग छोड़ दे.